Hello travelers! We have arrived at the final stop on the Seychelles, the DoubleTree by Hilton Seychelles Allamanda Resort and Spa. It's coming up. The Seychelles are full of small Hilton Group hotels. After the Hilton Nordholm and the Allamanda House with 56 and 42 rooms respectively, we are now at the probably smallest DoubleTree in the world, with only 30 rooms. It has a charming lobby and bar area and offers quite a lot for this small size. One of the highlights was live music during the day at the pool and beach area. Next to the pool area, you can also get a spa treatment. And yes, we did this time. The DoubleTree Seychelles Allamanda opened in 2009, was renovated in 2012, and joined the Hilton Group in 2014. It is located around 20 minutes away from the international airport, which is why we selected it for the end of our trip. Let's have a look on the restaurant area and the amazing breakfast buffet. The selection is really nice, and keep in mind, this hotel has only 30 rooms, so there is almost enough space for everyone to have breakfast at the same time. And breakfast or dinner having such an amazing view is splendid. In the evening it was also impressive. If the hotel is rather booked, they offer besides a la carte also a buffet for around 40 euros with changing mottos every day, which is a real nice offer actually. So we tried both, the buffet but also the a la carte selection, and both were tasty. Since the hotel, I can't say it often enough, has only 30 rooms, they were limited to 2 room categories at that time, one with jacuzzi on the balcony, the other one without. So room 304 is a nice King Deluxe room. The welcome here was rather welcome, but we really appreciated the decoration. And besides that, we also received a really lovely welcome gift. On arrival we were not upgraded since the second night the jacuzzi rooms were fully booked, but I asked nicely and they told me to come for the last day to the front desk, and if it was still available we would get it for one night. Additionally, they really took care for the preferences selected in the app, such as high floor, and gave us a perfectly centered room on the third of 3 floors from the beginning. The room itself is nothing special and could use a renovation, but they really managed to make us feel well here. After having a look into the bathroom, which is full of flowers everywhere, we go on with the highlights of this and actually of all rooms. The balcony with its astonishing view. What was very amazing here in particular is that the waves break at some distance to the beach, making the water on the beach very pleasant. The front desk team kept their promise and upgraded us for the last night to a King Grand Deluxe room, as it is called today. It is an intermediate room which is slightly larger, offers a jacuzzi on the terrace, and has a coffee machine. The rest is quite the same. Point-wise, you can book this room with the same amount as the deluxe room, by the way. The highest category, the premium room, would only have a nicer bathroom with a separated bathtub. And as you have seen all 6 rooms of the 3rd floor on the floor plan, those rooms are definitely on a lower level. One complaint is the exchange rate gambling, which was not easy to understand. When booking the hotel, the app shows prices in euro. However, then they internally converted into Seychelles rupees and deduct the value a few days before arrival according to the current exchange rate and charge your credit card in Seychelles rupees. Had 2 effects. High fluctuations of the exchange rate led to additional 50 euros charging, and since I didn't expect them to charge everything in Seychelles rupees, I took the wrong credit card, which cost me additional 20 euros, so almost 9% unexpected charges. For the DoubleTree by Hilton Seychelles Allamanda Resort and Spa, with its amazing sunrises, we award 4 out of 5 diamonds. What was really cool is that we were able to get a rental directly through the hotel with prices at the same level as on the internet. This gave us the chance to explore the island the last day on our own, visit the zoo, and leave the car at the airport at the end. See you out there. Your Alex from GajaDreams.com.